At Alexandria he was when it was one. Full often time he had the board begun. Above all nation in Prussia, in Leto he had risked and in Russia. No Christian man so oft of his degree. In Grenade at the siege, eke he had been. Of Algiers and ridden in Belmarie, at Laius was he, and at subtly, when they were won, and in the great sea, at many noble army had he been. At moral battles had he been 15, and foughten for our faith at Transmissine. In listless strives and the slain is foe, this ill-keyword knight had been also, sometimes with the Lord of Palestine, against another heathen in Turkey. And even more, he had a sovereign prize, and thought that he was worthy, he was wise, and of his sport as meek as I made, no never yet a villainy, he said. Before that in that season on a day, in southward the Tobad, as I lay, ready to wander on a pilgrimage, to count of beauty, on with full devout courage. At night was come into that hostelry, full 9 and 20 in a company of sundry folk, by adventure ye fall, in fellowship and pilgrim were they all. The toward country beauty wooden ride, the chamber and the stable were in wide, and well we were east at the best, and shortened when the sun was to rest. So had I spoken with them every one, that I was their fellowship anon, and made forward early for to rise, to take away their as I you devise. But none the less, while I have time and space, ere that a father in a tall face, methinketh it accordant to reason to tell you all the condition of each of them so as it seemed me, and which they won, and of what degree, and if what array that were they were in, and at night then I will first begin.